Hello, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter 4 of your book, Materials, which include metals and non metals. So, first of all, what is a material? What do you mean by material? Material किसको कहते हैं? So, material is a substance or a mixture of different substances that constitute an object. That means you can say the material is that substance of which other things are made of. जिससे बाकी चीजें बनती हैं, that substance is known as material. Material can be pure or impure, living or non-living matter. Material can be classified based on their physical and chemical properties or on their origin and function. Now, in this chapter, we will discuss two different types of materials which are classified on the basis of their some physical and chemical properties. These two are metals and non-metals. Now, as you know, that in chemistry, the things are made up of elements. The things are made up of elements. These elements is made up of atoms. An element is made up of atoms. You can say that atom is the smallest unit of an element, or in turn the smallest unit of all the chemicals present on the earth. The known number of elements are 118. 118 elements are there which are arranged in periodic table. An element is made up of same type of atoms. So, if you define atoms, atoms are the smallest unit of an element which cannot be furtherly divide. उसको हम फिर से divide नहीं कर सकते हैं. Atoms are made up of electron, proton and neutron. So these are the definitions of elements and atom. Now compounds. When two different type of atoms join together in a specific proportion, they form the compound. And all the materials present around us are made up of elements, compound and atoms only. Now in this chapter we will study about the metals and non-metals. So on certain properties we differentiate the elements present on earth in two categories, that is metal and another is non-metal. So first of all we will discuss about the physical properties of metals. Which type of physical properties a metal show? First property, mostly all the metals are solid. They are solid in nature except one metal, that is mercury. Mercury is the single metal which is in the liquid state. Metals are hard. Most of the metals are hard. They are hard in touch. But lithium, potassium, and sodium, these are three metals which are soft and they can be cut by the knife. Next property of the metals is that metals have metallic luster. They have a shiny surface. They shine. This is another property of metals. Metals are malleable. That means they can be beaten into thin sheets. When we beat them, they spread themselves so that they can be beaten into thin sheets. So you can say that metals are malleable. Next property is metals are ductile. That means they can be drawn into wires. If we want, we can make wires of metals. As you have seen the wires of copper, wires of gold and silver also, which are used in the embroidery work. So metals can be drawn into wires. This is their another property. So today we have studied the some properties of metals, that metals are solid at the room temperature except mercury. Metals are hard, but only lithium, potassium, and sodium. These are the three metals which are soft and can be cut with knife. Metals have lustrous surface. They are malleable, that means they can be beaten into sheets, and they are ductile also, that means they can be drawn into wires. In the next class, we will study more physical properties of metals.